Brenda Chris with Movement Mortgage. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about student loans. There's a lot of information to consider when getting a mortgage in relation to student loans. So the biggest question is, how will they affect you? Well, if you're late, it's going to kill your credit score. So what I tell people to do is, if possible, consolidate all their student loans into one. When you have a bunch of little tiny student loans, if you're late one time, you're late 15 times, which absolutely destroys your score. So if you come out of deferment and you're not aware that you came out of deferment, that's where the biggest issue is. So keep track of your dates with your student loan company and then consolidate into one loan if you can. Another thing is have a variety of loans, not just student loans. Have an auto loan, have a credit card, something other than a student loan, because it makes your credit profile very shallow and the decision engine is not as likely to approve if that's the only debt that you have. You want to keep that balance low though. Let's see. I want to remind people that you cannot put student loans into bankruptcy. They don't go away. You may successfully file and have them included in your bankruptcy, but whether or not they show up on your credit report, they do show up in the system when we check something called CAVERS. So then you have to take them out of the bankruptcy, or you have to take them out of a charge off, or whatever the case may be. So yeah, don't think they go away, because they don't. Forbearance. So when student loans are in forbearance, people think that that means we don't count a payment, but that would be incorrect. We have to count 0.5%. So whatever your loan, like for example, if you owe $40,000 in student loans, 0.5% of that is $200 a month that we would count in your debt ratio. If you go conventional and you have an income-based repayment plan set up, we can use that payment. But those are the only two options. Let's see. I think that was the majority of what I wanted to talk about. So if you have any questions on student loans, feel free to give me a call. Brenda Chris, Movement Mortgage, 843-330-8002. I look forward to helping you.